Blind turn, ice. That's one of the recoveries I hate most. All right, Dad, here's a walkie-talkie.
Okay.
That's how we're going to communicate.
Okay.
Just that orange button on the side. I have mine on the inside.
Okay.
And then I just need that top line signed. And then I'll go ahead and get hooked up, and we'll kind of talk you through it. So this is 4-wheel drive, right?
Yep, I've got it in 4-wheel low. So.
Perfect. Okay, so your car's on and everything? Yep. Oh, it's really quiet. Wow. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of tension on the winch. The plan is to basically help your car help itself up.
Yep.
The angle is not the best because we can't block the whole traffic around a blind turn. Yeah. So are you in drive right now? So just kind of take your foot off the brake.
Okay, it's off.
Give it just a tiny little bit of throttle. Take it nice and easy, nice and easy. This side is so soft. I think you're gonna pop up. Give it a little bit of throttle, just a little time. Okay, stop, stop, stop. Yes, it just digs right in. Turn your wheel a little bit to the left.
Okay.
Keep it right there. You're gonna pop up. You're almost on the pavement. Turn, go ahead, stop, stop. Turn your wheel a little bit to the left. Yep, right there. And just take your foot off the gas, but okay, just let my winch kind of do the work for a minute here. Perfect. Okay. I think you're good to give it just a little bit of gas to come up here. Yep, come on. Keep coming. Keep coming. Okay, go ahead, stop right there. Let me just disconnect.
Okay.
Keep that foot on the brake. Just hold off, let me make sure you're clear. Okay. Do you want to go this way or that way?
I need to go back that way.
Okay. And if you want to just back up right in front of my truck real quick and I'll grab the stuff. Yeah, just careful going around this turn because I have traffic coming now this way. Okay, anyway.
Thanks,
yeah, take it easy. Blind turn, ice. That's one of the recoveries I hate most. Because if one guy slid around this corner, somebody else could easily do it too. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that one. If you ain't getting stuck, you ain't trying hard enough. See you guys next time.